Hey guys, it's me, Des Arnaz, professional investor. And as you guys know, I invest in mortgage notes. I've been doing it now for almost a decade. And I can tell you guys that are thinking about investing that this is a better option than real estate for most people. Now, not for everyone. There's obviously people that should do both. And then there are people that should just do mortgage notes. And then there are other people, in my opinion, that really should just stick with real estate. It really does depend on your personality and on your demeanor, your risk tolerance, and a few other things, right? Your attention to detail. But if you're interested in learning how to invest in mortgage notes, then you should dive in, because once you understand this space, you'll love it. As a matter of fact, I can honestly say this is one of the few spaces that I've looked at in my 69 years of being alive that the closer I looked, the better it looked, right? Most things in life, the closer you look, you start to see the cracks and you start to say, it's not all that. But note investing has been just the opposite. The closer I looked, the better it looked. And so I hear that from other people as well. When I make that statement, other people say, yeah, Desi, that's been my experience too. So I just want to encourage you guys, take a close look at investing in mortgage notes, because it's a way that you can get some financial freedom into your life, get some cash flow into your life, have some collateral, have a legacy that you can leave for the next generation that they'll actually want, right? If you think about it, most of your heirs, if you're a landlord, they don't want your rental properties. What they want is the cash flow from the rental properties. So if they can get the cash flow without being the landlord, believe me, your heirs would rather have that. Anyway, that's just a little thought that I wanted to put out there for you guys, something to think about, and encourage you guys to dig into the note investing space. You can also find out more about this kind of stuff over at noteinvestoruniversity.com. That's our website, noteinvestoruniversity.com. You can get some free training there, as well as if you want to connect with me, you can do it right there. God bless you. I'll see you guys at the top.